In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to make Google Chrome your default browser. So stick with me to the end, because every step matters and you won't want to miss anything. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more. If Chrome is the browser you love using, then it only makes sense to set it as your default. That way, whenever you click a link anywhere on your computer, Chrome opens it automatically instead of another browser. And you can set it for other file types too. So let's walk through the whole process together. And don't skip ahead, because every part of this guide matters. Right now, you might be using Edge or some other browser on your computer, so let's switch things over to Chrome. To get started, head down to the bottom of your screen and find the Windows Start button, then click on it. From there, look for Settings and open it up. If you're having trouble spotting it, you can always type Settings into the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Give it a moment to load, then look over on the left side and click on Apps. Inside there, scroll down the list until you find the option called Default Apps, and click on that. Now you'll want to scroll down this page until you find Google Chrome. You can use the search box at the top to jump straight to it, or just scroll, since everything is listed alphabetically. Once you land on Google Chrome and click it, you'll see an option near the top that says, Make Google Chrome your default browser. All you need to do is look to the right and press the Set Default button. A checkmark appears, and your system starts switching everything over to the Chrome icon. If for some reason it doesn't change everything automatically, no problem. You can still set them manually. Just scroll down the list of file types, click on any one of them, choose Chrome from the menu, and press Set Default. You can keep repeating that for each file type you want Chrome to handle, and if any of them don't have a default set yet, just click on it and pick Chrome the same way. Go ahead and do that for every option you want covered. You get the idea. Once you're finished, you're all set. From now on, whenever you open one of those file types or click a link, Chrome is the browser that gets used. That's exactly what we wanted. And that's it. That's how you make Google Chrome your default browser on Windows. It's a quick change that saves you time every single day. If you found this helpful and you'd like to see more guides just like it, go ahead and subscribe and give the video a like. I publish new tutorials every single day, so I'll be back to help you out again very soon. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.